Hey, nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and I'm back with a summertime food pantry haul. Yay! Hey, nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and I'm back with a food pantry haul for New Video Tuesday. It's not a big haul, but it's a very important haul. Let me show you what I got, and let me show you what we can do with it. And yes, we're going to recreate that watermelon refresher from McDonald's. We're going to start from the left to the right. We have some wonderful no salt added peas. Oh, that's cool. And we've got some French style green beans. Look at this, 4 cans of tomato soup. Unsalted. Yep, just what we need. Then we've got some golden whole kernel corn. Some light red kidney beans, which would be nice with some red beans and rice. Then we've got 2 cans of peas, no salt added. Oh, thank goodness. Then I'm excited about this. 2 boxes rotini pasta. Not only can you do, of course, a spaghetti or Italian dish, you could do a cold pasta for the summer with this, and it holds the sauce so nicely. Then look at this. We've got some quick oatmeal in the can and in the packages. So we got plenty of that. I'm going to donate that to Miss Brenda to make some more cookies. We got some pancake mix. That's always good for pancakes and crepes. I should make some crepes for you guys to show you how easy it is. Then we've got some raisins to go with that oatmeal. It doesn't have to be cookies. You can just put raisins in your oatmeal for breakfast. It's really good. We got several packages of that. Then look at this. We got some raspberries. So check this out. Instead of doing a watermelon strawberry refresher, I'm going to do a raspberry watermelon refresher. Ha ha ha. Then we've got some, oh, look at this. Yellow cornmeal. I can make some wonderful cornbread with that, Southern style. Ooh, I'm excited about that. We've got 2 jars of peanut butter. Nutty Buddies. That's what I am, Nutty Buddy. After everything I've been through, I'm Nutty Buddy. All right. Then we got some cooking oil. A pouch of that wonderful white premium chicken, which I love so much, and so does the cat. Then we've got liquid gold, y'all. Eggs. And once again, not a one broken. How about that? Then over here, 2 bags of fish. Flounder, to be more specific. Oh, yeah. I'm going to show you that if something's too fishy tasting or smelling, you can soak it in buttermilk and it'll be all right. Yes, we got plenty of fish. We could smoke it on the grill for summer. That would be lovely. Then over here, some ground pork. We can make some pork patties. Then we've got some cheddar links. Ooh, these will be good on the grill. Then let's see, what is this? Oh, ground dark chicken meat. Meow meow to you too. A pound of that. We can make some chicken helper. I'll show you how we do that. Then over here they gave toiletries. We got some Scope mouthwash. Excuse me, toothpaste. It's got the mouthwash in it. God knows I need that. Kills bad breath germs by the millions. Thank God. We got 2 rolls of toilet paper. And then look at this. I got half a cherry pie and part of a hamburger cake. I've always wanted to try one of these. I never had the chance to. Now I'm going to. I hope it's as good as it looks. Mm-hmm. Let's take a look at everything we got. Now, was it a ton of stuff? No. Was it essential stuff? Yes. And different stuff I hadn't gotten before. So, with that said, I can make a lot of recipes. And starting, I'm going to do something with those raspberries to make that strawberry refresher. I'm going to make that tomorrow. I know. Should I make it right now? No, I'll make it tomorrow. Tune in tomorrow. I will have that video up, okay? All right. Like, comment, subscribe. I've got lots of videos coming and a collaboration with Simple Meals by T. All right? Okay. Big love from Uncle Chris. Oh, write to me, Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef at gmail.com. That's right. We're going to have some fun this summer. And I'm going to take you over to the island with the waterfall. Yes, we have an island with a waterfall right here in Chicago. All right. Big love from Uncle Chris.